What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, welcome in general. My name is Reese and today I am going to be doing a video for you guys on this cute little two-piece that I made. So I've been seeing these all over Instagram, you know, all the sites sell them, Fashion Nova. They're not super expensive or anything like that, but if you know me, I love to DIY things and I wanted one with gold stripes. So that's what I did. It was super quick and easy. Anybody can do it. It takes like literally zero skills. So if you want to see how I made this outfit, then just keep on watching. But before we get started, if you're not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and also click the bell symbol so that you get notified when I upload. And if you enjoy, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Alright guys, so this is what I'm going to be using to create the two-piece. It's just a black tank and some bikers that I got from Forever 21. And also this gold glitter transfer paper that I got from Joann. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is crop the shirt. It was not short enough, so I just went ahead and cut a little bit off. And then when I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over and cut right at the back of the shirt where the strap is, because I want this to be a halter top. So if you want yours to be a halter too, make sure you get a V-neck with a straight back. So now that I'm done with that, the next thing you're going to want to do is measure the sides of your shorts and the side of your top. And then what I did next is I put these marks where I want the stripes to go. So it'd be best if you try it on so you know exactly where the stripes will go once you're wearing it. So after I'm finished marking the sides, I'm gonna go ahead and iron on the strips. So I forgot to record me cutting the strips, I'm sorry, but it's literally just self-explanatory. You cut strips for the side of your outfit. And what you just saw me doing was using tape to get the lint off to make sure that these strips stick on better. So I just lined it up where I put the dot before, and you want to make sure that the slippery side is down and the side you want to see is facing up, and then you just cover it with another piece of fabric. I just use a t-shirt, and then you iron it for about 30 seconds to a minute. Remove the other cloth slowly and it should be nice and in place. So I accidentally ironed this to my book, but don't worry, it will come off. And you can just cut off the excess, or you can rip it off like I did, which didn't go so well for this one, but I'll show you how it's supposed to look when I apply the next strip. So I just laid the next strip out on top of the dot that I made. Now I'm gonna cover it with another piece of fabric, which for me was just a shirt, and iron it for about 30 seconds, and this is what it came out to be. So it literally just melted off the end of the gold strip that I was not using, so it just turned out perfect. And I'll show you also how it did the same exact thing on the top. So it just formed to the shape of the top, which is so perfect. So yeah, you guys, that's basically it. You do the same thing for the bottoms and you're good to go. So as you can see here, there's a little piece that I messed up. Don't worry, you can cut out a little bit of a strip and just iron it right on top. So if you make a mistake, you can always fix it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to leave them down below.